Hello everyone. In this particular video, we would discuss how to create a pie chart. For creating a pie chart, we have a visual that is a pie chart into the visualization pane. I'll just click on this and resize it properly so that it is more visible to you. And let us now discuss the norms of the pie chart. So whenever you are going to create a pie chart, you have to keep in mind that the data points or the lesions that you would be using or whole of the numerical values which are into bifurcation. So this whole numerical values that is coming into the values need to be bifurcated into the lesions. So this bifurcation should be not less than 2 values or not more than 10 values. So this becomes more easy and more visible to the observer of that particular chart. So we can easily understand what the data is saying to us. So in the lesion part, I would place any of the categorical value which have a data points into it and they are discrete as well. So this discretion should not exceed than that of 10 and should not be minimum than that of 2 values. So I have in the segments, so the segments as we have already studied that these segments are the consumers of the superstore. So they are buying the orders or the products from the superstore. They are corporate segment, they are consumer segment, they are office. So these are the particular segments which we would be using as a lesion for bifurcating the whole sales. So I want to see here the total sales is coming from which segment. So let's drag the sales into the values and I can easily see here that consumer is the segment which is contributing the highest, that is we can say more than 50% or 50.56%. And we can observe here there is the another that is corporate who is contributing 30% of sale and the home office that is 18.7%. So and right now I am seeing I can see this particular segment, the color of the particular label, and then the color is being detected over here and then I'm able to observe it. So this is becoming a little bit hectic. So I'll just remove the segment from here and I can just place it before this label. So in the formatting option, I'll just off the legend option. So this segment would be invisible for right now. And in the detail labels, so here we have the arrow. I can press this arrow for the detail labels and we have options into it. So this particular option, that is position of a label, where it is placed, whether it is placed outside or it is inside or it is preferred inside basically, and if not possible then only it is preferred outside. That means if it becomes congested inside, then the half visuals are or half labels are placed at outside. So as of now, we don't have any congestion. So I'll just place it outside and what it should contain. The label content, what is the content? It is data values. So this is the data values. 1.16 millions is a data value of a sale. Total sales contributed by the the consumer segment and its percentage. And I can change it to any of the thing, if I just want to keep the data values only, or the percentage of total, or just the category and a data value, or just a category and the percentage of total. So I'll just keep here all detail labels. And I can observe here the consumer, the category is also placed before the label, the total and the percentage. So this is how we can insert the labels into the label, insert the legends into the labels as well. And the values, I can increase the size of the values as well, so it becomes more easily to depict what is actually being presented. So if I just want to make it bold, I can make it bold as well. So if I want to change the font of my text, I can change the font of my text as well. So this is how we can create the particular pie chart with only few button clicks and following the norms. Thanks for watching.